Boris Papadopoulos. Boris Papadopoulos was a composer and a conductor. He was one of the most distinctive Croatian musicians of the 20th century. There is almost no kind or genre of music where he didn't leave anthology piece compositions of great artistic value. He composed over 400 works. In his works, he sometimes used folklore or old Catholic, but also neo-Baroque and neoclassical styles, that making it difficult to determine his style. He especially enjoyed using unusual groups of instruments together and thus creating new sounds.